we're interested here in marital status and unmarried parents at Drawer, and so the first independent variable shows that unmarried cohabitant parents were 3 times more likely to experience a generalized crisis pregnancy than were married parents, and solo parents were more than 5 times more likely to have experienced this crisis pregnancy. So both unmarried cohabitant parents and solo parents were worse off, significantly worse off, on a range of indicators compared to married parents, with solo parents especially worse off and deprived. Solo parents were only half as likely as married parents, for example, to be able to afford to keep their home adequately warm, to be able to afford a warm coat, other things like having friends around to their house, having a roast joint or a similar meal once a week. They were only half as likely as married parents to be able to enjoy all of those. The data shows that 38% of solo parents are in this category. They're entirely dependent on state welfare. This makes them 10 times more likely than married parents to be welfare dependent. Unmarried parents, 12% are entirely dependent on welfare, making them twice as likely as married parents to be welfare dependent. 60% of solo parents are in the lowest income quintile. So I guess poverty and deprivation is for solo parents is one of the clear messages coming out of the analysis. Just over a quarter of the solo parents sampled in this Growin Up in Ireland study were claiming the one-parent family payment. 60% of solo parents reported that no one in their house was claiming any welfare payments apart from universal entitlements or early childcare supplement. Solo parents also, they were twice as likely to report, when asked why are you not working, why are you working for all of these issues, the most frequently cited reason for not working outside the home was an inability to pay for their childcare. A number of findings emerged there. Grandparents were more likely to be substantially involved in the lives of solo parents, and this includes helping around the house, engaging in more frequent babysitting, and also helping financially in a way that differed significantly from what you saw with married parents. Unmarried parents fare poorly on practically every indicator when you compare them to married parents. But in the area of sharing parental duties equally, this was one area where unmarried cohabitant parents, where fathers, they outshone their married counterparts. So unmarried parents perform significantly better in terms of sharing parental duties equally across a range of indicators, including playing with their child, changing their child, bathing their child, reading to their child, and things like that. We see that 1 in 4 of the sample of solo parents in this study had no contact whatsoever with the father of their child, and 50%, so half of solo parents, were receiving no financial contribution from the father whatsoever.